Sohrab is a Pakistani bicycle company manufacturing both bicycles and its parts. The company is based in Lahore, Pakistan. The company began in 1952 with a core of traders in Lahore, following a foreign exchange crisis which severely restricted imports in Pakistan. The traders saw an opportunity to domestically produce and sell bicycles and consequently founded Sohrab on 8 September 1953 under Section 9 of the Cooperative Societies Act 2 of 1912. It initially had 22 members and produced 5 bicycles a day. It now has 228 members and produces approximately 2,000 bicycles a day. Sohrab was set up keeping its workers in mind. All controlling powers of the company lay with the general body, who are elected into power every 3 years. Since its inception, elections have been held on a regular basis. Sohrab continues to maintain its social principles with a subsidized workers' canteen and company hospital. It also pays for 5 of its workers to attend the Hajj pilgrimage in Mecca each year. Sohrab initially manufactured a single-speed roadster bicycle. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.